there are people who could be, very they can actually present it very well in paper, but when it comes to individual interaction, they are not that as as good as that. Hello everyone, today we will be discussing questions of personality with respect to the year of 2019. Previously I have discussed questions in 2023, 2022, 2021, etc. So let's begin with 2019. Now the first question is that how is Neo 5 factor theory? How is Neo 5 factor theory different from 16 personality factor theory? That means the question is asking you that you have to discuss about Neo 5 factor theory, and then you have to discuss about 16 personality factor theory. Now if you have any idea about this Neo 5 factor theory, so you must be knowing about the 5 personality theories that we had. For example, we discussed about openness to experience. We discussed about conscientiousness. Then we discussed about extraversion. Agreeableness. And neuroticism. Fine. So if you are knowing about these 5 factors, personality 5 factors, then you are going to discuss about them. Now coming to 16 personality factor traits, there you have to talk about the Cattell's personality factor. Now see, if the question is asking you, you have to explain, right? So just understand that this seems to be very confined approach, whereas this seems to be more detailed approach. Right. That way what you are going to do is you are going to talk about how this 5 factor theory is very limited. However, this is more analyzing, right? So this is how you are going to explain. That means there could be multiple angles to it, multiple dimensions to it, depending upon your understanding and how you are going to analyze the question, how you are going to present it in the question paper. But before writing the answer, you should at least know what is the 5 factor theory over here and what are the 16 personality traits over there. Now here you will find that there are multiple things that will be coming. For example, there will be self-esteem, then your confidence, then your honesty, etc. Fine. Okay, now moving to the second question. Now they say that critically evaluate the use of paper pencil test in personality assessment. Now paper pencil test. Now in order to understand this question and in order to analyze this question, you first need to know that what is paper personality test. Now what is paper personality test? Now for example, if you have for example, you write UPSC mains exam, right? So what is happening is that you are writing your perspective, your opinions, that what do you think about international relations, what you are thinking about the studies of Swami Vivekananda, what are you thinking about the economic condition of the country, what are you thinking about the political dimension of the country. So what is happening is that is your perspective. Now there are people who have this very leftist approach to things. There are people who have this right wing approach, then there are people who are they are somewhere in the center and they are not very extremist. So what I mean to say is that in that way what you need to do is that here you need to understand that if you are giving a pen paper test to a person, what is going to happen? the person is going to, you know, there's like some good points also, and there's some negative dimensions to it. Now when it comes to good points, what is happening is, when it comes to good points, you will find that it is very cost effective. No extra burden needed. Fine. Then the approach is very limited. There you won't find any cross exam, there will be like no cross examination. Fine. So these were the positive approach. Now if you see the negatives, like you know, what are the negatives? Now see, here there will be no projection of personality actually. No projection of personality, as in, now see, there are people who could be, you know, very they can actually present it very well in paper, but when it comes to individual interaction, they are not that as, you know, as good as that. So what is going to happen? The projection of personality will be missing. Then even though it's cost effective, but there will be no subjectivity. Why? Because the content or the thing that you are going to accumulate over here is, the content is going to be very objective. Fine. So content is objective, then there is no projection of personality. Then what is happening is that even though you know, you are going to write about things, but what is happening is, when the people interact with one another, there is exchange of ideas, there is exchange of thoughts, there's a lot of perspective and opinions that are coming, which gets very limited here. Why? Because of you know, this limited or word limit. Fine. Then here what you will find is that there will be no cross questioning. So no counter arguments, right? So for example, you know, if we are interacting and suddenly you find that ma'am, like we don't agree with you, so what is going to happen is that I am going to explain you. But what if it's only about pen paper test? What is going to happen? Even if you don't agree with me, you'll never get to know what is my opinion to it. For example, if you see that movie Animal, right? Now what is happening is that some people liked that movie, some people didn't like it. Now those people who liked the movie, they had this opinion that ma'am, we just watched the movie and we left the theater, and we never gave a second thought about the movie. So it was just an entertainment thing which we, you know, which we saw and got it over there. But when it comes to like things which are really substantial, we give it a thought. Now those people who liked the movie, they had this kind of idea. Then there were other, you know, group of people who started following it in the real life. So what I mean to say is that if you get to know the perspective of the people, it varies from you know, person to person, and that could only be understandable if we are sitting and interacting. Fine. So this was about pen paper pencil test. So next time I'll be coming with 2018. Thank you so much.